So, hello, all of you, one and all. So, today we are going to start a new course that is about Python. The first question arises why Python? And before that, the question arises why programming? Okay. So, all we are going to discuss in this course. This is basically divided into the 100 videos. I have explained about, firstly, I will give introduction about myself. We will go with the introduction about course and the structure of the course and the timeline of the course, and I will give basic crux of this course. Okay, why Python, why programming, and introduction to the terminal that we are using. Okay, so before without wasting time, let's jump up into it. Okay, I will keep it in Hindi English. I will also okay with full English. This depends on audience. So let's start. So what will be the agenda of this demo lecture? It will contains introduction. It will have a question. I will explain the question that arises in the student's mind. That is why Python. Before that, why programming? Okay. And the next question will be what will be the course structure? How is this unique? How is this going to be unique? That is available on platforms like other platforms like YouTube and open source. Okay, where there are various open source platforms that provide programming lectures or courses. Okay, and we will ended up with a small introduction to the terminal that we are going to use. We are going to use. Okay, in our whole course. So let's start. So first introduction about myself. Okay, I am Vidan Bhasne. Okay, I am currently pursuing third BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication. Okay, I am currently in third year, semester 5 have been recently completed. Okay, I am beside doing BTech in EXCC. The college also providing us the honors degree in data science. Okay, the college name is the KJ Soma Institute of Technology, Mumbai. Beside that, there also I have I have a certificate from IIT Bombay regarding Python programming. I have just achieved Elite plus Silver Medal certificate from IIT Madras. That's the certificate regarding computing actually, but it basically contains the Python, joy of computing using Python. Okay, that crux of that computing, I have also some crux of that computing also involved in this course also. Okay, just I have just because it is so much related to the real life. Okay, and I also have some, 4 of 8 certificates of professional Google data analytics offered by Google. Okay, so that's the introduction about myself. The Google Data Analytics certificate is a professional certificate that's provided. It contains of 8 certificate total, 8 courses. That's 4 courses has been have been completed by me till now, and the 4 is ongoing. Okay, it is totally offered by Google. So we are not here to know more about instructor. Okay, we are here to know about how the course is being different from others. Okay, you will till now you get to know that who will be the instruction. That is me only. The instructor will be me, and the whole process of the course will be with you, me, and the terminal, and the small sort of presentation when it's the theory part. Okay, it will be basically it will be all upon terminal only, and with the camera on me, and if there are some notes or some points to be noted, then I will explain it on presentation. Okay, so let's move forward. So let's dive in why Python. Okay, what you think? Before why Python, I will explain you why programming. Firstly, tell me why you use computers. Why humans use computers? It is basically due to the they need to do things that are hard or that are boring to them. No, हम कंप्यूटर इसलिए यूज करते हैं क्योंकि हमारा काम आसान हो इन बेसिक लैंग्वेज. ओके, we use computers for the sake of our comfortable. We use Zomato, like we use Swiggy. Why we use that? Why didn't we didn't prefer to go to the restaurant and dine in there? Because we are lazy. Yeah, humans are lazy. Okay, they prefer comfortable way. That's why they invented computer to perform the tasks that are very heavy, or we can say that requires very much brain power, or that that they want to be perform that particular task in less amount of time. Okay, अगर कुछ टास्क है समझ समझो कुछ कैलकुलेशंस है मैथमेटिकल the first computer you may have come up in your childhood will be a calculator, I think so. That's also a computer. Okay, not so. Okay, I will not go into that. Not okay, not a particular computer. It is a part of microcontroller. Okay, I will not go into that topic because that's not included in our course. Okay, so what does calculator specific do? It specifically perform the operation which are out of our we can say out of our pace. Okay, how the long multiplication and long division ऐसा नहीं है कि वो humans कर नहीं पाएंगे. Okay, humans कर सकते हैं, but it will take a huge amount of time. For that purpose, we use computers that they can perform it in a very less amount of time. Or you can say for an analogy at a time of speed. It is not actually, but you can understand it as it is fastest. Okay, fastest performance by a machine. That's why human uses machine. Okay, now you know why programming. So basically, why Python only? Because this is the course about data science. Okay, data science using Python. Okay, because in your gate examination there is data science in MTech, data science in artificial intelligence in MTech. So in gate examination there is a specific. I will show you in the next or upcoming slides that what is the syllabus for gate 2024 regarding this data science. Okay, it contains Python programming. So that's the first reason why Python programming. Okay. The second reason is, uh, just tell me before going to Python, uh, why there are so many programming languages. You may know. Okay, there are Java, C, C++. There are numerous number of languages uses for numerous different reasons, numerous different problems. Some languages used to be here. Some languages are used to develop some websites. Some languages used to develop backend. Some languages are used to develop applications. Some languages used to develop operating system. Okay, we do not go there. So there are numerous languages like that. I will give you analogy, best analogy. If you go to France, you must know French language. Okay, if you go to America or Britain, you must know English language. But if you come to India, there are many states. Okay, many different states have numerous numbers of language. Okay, 29 states है. अलग-अलग states में अलग-अलग language speak होती है. So how we can manage? But we can manage, of course, with Hindi and English majority. Majority of the states Hindi and English तो बोल ही सकती है, of course. Like that, to communicate with the people around their region, we use language. So to communicate with the computers, we use language. Okay. So अपने पास language कौन कौन सी है? मराठी है, हिंदी है, English है, and there are numerous language. But in computers there are language like Python, C, C++, Java. These are the languages to communicate with the computer. मैं कंप्यूटर को बता सकूं कि ये मुझे काम है, ये मुझे परफॉर्म करके दो. So these are basically the medium between computer and the human. Just understand for now. Okay. So you know why programming now. Why Python? There are three reasons. First, it is the most powerful language. I do not say most, but it is a powerful language. Okay. It is widely spoken. When I ask why English, okay, क्यों इंग्लिश भाई? स्कूल में इंग्लिश मेजोरिटी ऑफ द इंडियन स्कूल टीचर्स गिव प्रेशर ऑन स्टूडेंट्स टू लर्न इंग्लिश. But why English? You might have asked your teachers in your child. Because English is majorly spoken in the European nations and US. That's why English, or it is majorly spoken in the globe, across the globe. So that's why we learn English. So why Python? Because it is powerful. Okay, it is widely spoken language. Means nearly about every system can communicate with humans via Python. You can analog with that. Okay, and then the third thing is it is very easy. Yeah, it is very easy to learn. Okay, just be with me. I'll make sure that Python will be a fun to you. Okay, it will be totally fun. I'll give you the numerous example regarding your daily life, your college life, your school life. Okay, so stay with me. So I hope you understand why Python. So before going to that, I will just one thing I want to clear it here, that you need to be practice. Okay, you बेस्ट एग्जांपल इज कार सीखना है. ठीक है, अगर मुझे आता नहीं है कार चलाना, मैं बोल रहा हूँ मुझे कल से कार सीखना है. कार सीखने के लिए मैं क्या करूंगा? सबसे पहले यूट्यूब खोलूंगा और देखूंगा बेसिक्स ऑफ ड्राइविंग. ओके, आई विल लर्न देयर अबाउट क्लच, ब्रेक, गियर्स, हाउ इट परफॉर्म्स, हाउ इट फंक्शंस, what are the rules of road safety and traffic, whatever, etc etc. मैं वो सब सीख तो लूंगा theoretically. बट अगले दिन मैं बोल रहा, अरे हम मेरे को अभी गाड़ी आती है, चलो बैठते हैं. I will start to drive a car. ठोक दूंगा. Okay. Why? क्यों ठोक दिया? प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं थी. जस्ट लाइक दैट इन पाइथन. अगर तुम सिर्फ मुझसे सीखते रहोगे, कुछ नहीं होने वाला. You need to practice. You need to put your fingers on the keyboard. Okay, that's why this most of these videos will be going to be on practice. Okay, so you must perform with me. I will also type throughout the video. Okay, I will not just like I have just written this program before the starting the video, and I will just show you. This is ऐसा है हो गया. I will not do that. I will write in front of you, and you must write along with the video. Okay, you must do practice. नहीं तो तुम गाड़ी ठोक दोगे. ओके, वैसे भी इंटरव्यू में तू या इंटरव्यू या छोड़ो एग्जामिनेशन में भी ठुके जाओगे. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. I already explained you why Python, the growth of Python. You can see there is this is the IEEE data from the IEEE that the most spoken language I have said that it is a Python. C is the spectrum. You can clearly see where the Python is used. Python is used in computers and in internet functionality, whereas C and C++ can be used in electronics also. Okay, so that's the difference between there are like no I'm from Maharashtra, so I can use Marathi in Maharashtra. Okay, but I cannot use Marathi in US. ओके, समझ रहे हो ना? मैं मराठी यहाँ पे यूज कर सकता हूँ, बट मैं मराठी यूएस में नहीं यूज कर सकता हूँ. लाइक दैट. सी 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 हम मैक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, बट पाइथन हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में यूज नहीं कर सकते. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, सो या द बेसिक क्वेश्चन, पढ़ क्यों रहे हैं भाई? फायदा क्या है? So yeah, it appears in GATE. It also appears in majority of your interviews regarding data science. It is a very easy language and very funny language. Yeah, we know na English is funny language. Like that, Python is also funny language. Stay with me. Okay, you will learn it very easily. So GATE 2024 syllabus for data science and artificial intelligence is this. So sir, मुझे तो यहाँ पे कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा है, मुझे भी नहीं दिख रहा है actually. Let me zoom it. Okay, so these are the topics. You can take a screenshot of it. What were the topics you are going to study in your 2024 GATE? So, but our main objective is this: programming, data structure, and algorithm. In that also, this programming Python. We will learn the programming Python for data science specific. ओके, सो हैव यू क्लियर विद इट कि हमें हाँ हाँ पाइथन है हमारे सिलेबस में, हम बिन फालतू तो कुछ पढ़ नहीं रहे हैं. ठीक है, प्रोग्रामिंग पाइथन स्पेसिफिक दिया है कि हमें पाइथन से पढ़ना है सिलेबस में. ओके, सो क्यों पाइथन चूज की होगी गवर्नमेंट एग्जामिनेशन सेल ने या एग्जामिनेशन कंडक्टिंग बॉडी ने? बिकॉज इट इज आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू 3 रीजंस. ओके, so okay, then what's next? The next will be I will discuss about the course structure, of course. Okay, so it is basically divided into 100 videos. Okay, trust me, I will crystal clear all the concept regarding Python. Okay, I will expect zero knowledge. I will assume that you know zero thing about programming. मैं accept कर रहा हूँ कि तुम्हें कुछ पता ही नहीं कंप्यूटर साइंस के बारे में. Okay, मैं वहां से पढ़ाने वाला हूँ. And those who know it don't बंद कर दो. ऐसा मत करो कि बंद कर दो. नहीं, ये क्या सिखा रहा है. We will soon be pace up. Okay, हम स्पीड पकड़ेंगे. एंड शुरू में फर्स्ट और 2 वीक्स वी विल गो फ्रॉम बेसिक्स. आई नो इट. दोज जो मास्टर्स है प्रो है प्रोग्रामिंग में, उनके लिए थोड़ा बोरिंग सा होगा. ओके, बट आई विल ट्राई टू मेक इट फन. ओके, in the end, because I am also a student, I also know how students get bored. Okay, so the course structure in the first month, this you can see what will be the timeline of this course. The week 1 will be about introduction to Python and basics. Basically, I will explain you why programming, why Python. Then introduction to the platform terminal that we are using, that is replit.com. Okay, it is an open source platform available. So you do not need to consume your computer or laptop space. Okay, that is very because many of the instructor just make an think that you need to download this IDE using this software or particular. You need to download the whole environment. You do not need to do that. You just cannot. You can just perform online. Okay, you just need a Wi-Fi, a laptop. Okay, and determination. Okay, so let's start. The week 1 will be introduction to Python and basics. That will I will explain. The first 5 days will be regarding Python and installation of the Python. Okay, then next 5 days will be about introduction to the variables and the types of variables and basically the data types. Okay, and then we will go with the fundamental concepts of programming. Okay, like in grammar in English, what we learn first about some a b c d alphabets. Okay, now we have done with alphabets, like that we have done with variables. Okay, now where we will go, we will go how to form sentences. Okay, so like that we will go to study about how to take print input, and how to print how to give output, and how to give input. Okay, and how to print the statements, or how to get an output from the computer. Okay, and we will go with strings, control flow, and loops. I know this terminology will be very much new to you, and you may be feeling like heavy burden on your head, but trust me, I am with you. Okay, so this terminology will be new for you, but let's just stay with me. And then week 4 will be about advanced control flow and the loops. Okay, where we will study about if else statement. Basically here we will going to study about how to automate the things, how to automate the programming. Then we'll go about advanced string handlings, like formatting of the strings, or there are some mini functions regarding print also. Print I know you do not know anything about what I'm talking exactly. Just listen, okay, just listen. Then we will go about lists. List is also an data type of data structure that that will be helpful in your DSA also. Okay, see, in this course you will learn about language also, and about data structures and algorithm also. That is also included in your syllabus. Okay, uh, then the goals for month 2 will be, we will continue with more advanced list, like types of list, and we will do basic operations like matrix additions, multiplication. That these are the question that is actually asked in gate. Okay, these are numerous times they have occurred. Okay, I have seen the papers. Okay, so after that we will, in week 7 we will study about collections in Python. There are dictionaries, there are tuples basically the set of two. Okay, I will stop here. I will not go into the what is a tuple, what are the sets. I hope some of the knowledge is there regarding mathematics to you. Okay, for understanding matrix multiplication operations, you must know have, for this course, the prerequisite will be you must know English language. Okay, you must know mathematics. Okay, that's, यही थिंग अज्यूम करके चल रहा हूँ, बाकी तो कंप्यूटर साइंस का कोई नॉलेज नहीं है. आई एम जस्ट अज्यूमिंग दिस. Okay, then we'll go towards dictionaries. And the recursion statement, that is the main question recursion asked in gate examination also, and if you are preparing for your interviews at that time also. Okay, and the last I will give you a small project. You have to just complete it, and that will the final wrap up of us. The detailed of how much videos will be required is shown on the screen. Okay, I will also share this PPT also if you all require. Okay, then to conclude, before concluding, wait a minute. I will show you it give you introduction about our platform that we are going to use. This is the platform. This will be your screen. Okay, from days from now. So what I will do, I will write here print statement. So what will be a right print statement? I don't know what to type. Funny na? Okay. I don't know what to type. Cannot run which while state is not idle or stopping. Basically it is reconnecting. Okay. It will reconnect and it will show you how it's all done. Okay. Till then, we will focus on another aspects of this whole replit.com. Okay. I will just make the refresh, reload the page. Yeah. So this replit.com is an open source platform. Okay, so basically you can just sign in on this platform with your Google account. I will make a separate video for it. Just a 2 to 3 minutes video is enough for the replit, how to use replit. Okay, till then we will just do this programming. Okay, it appears uh, connected. Okay, great. I will write print. Let print. I'll write my name here. Okay, now I'll write print with a. That's magic happen, no? Here I have written something and computer has given me output like my name again. Okay. So what happened? I have given computer a command. What command I have given? I have tell computer, bhai, मुझे ये स्टेटमेंट जो भी इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के बीच में है वो मुझे प्रिंट करके दे, मतलब मुझे डिस्प्ले कर बेसिकली। सो द यहाँ पे जो कमांड आपने यहाँ पे दी है उसका आउटपुट यहाँ पे आएगा। ओके, दैट्स द बेसिक थिंग। I will explain you with a detail. Okay, I will also explain you the reason behind it, why it is printing like that, how it has been converted to zeros and one, and then manipulated as an high and low voltage. Okay, that's I will all explain. As I am an electronic engineer, I know whole back end and front end too. Okay, that's the advantage I have got. So the print statement I have already explained you. Print Vidhan. I will write here something print. I will do some magic here. Wait. Let print star. So many of the students will be confused that how I can use double inverted comma and single inverted comma. I can use both. Okay. I will explain you this in when I will start with print statements. Just for now, just enjoy the session. Okay. I know you are not understanding anything. Okay. I will start it from scratch. I will write here. I will give here 2 star. Sorry, 2 star. I will give here, let's say 3 star. Give here, let's say 4 star. Okay. Give here instead of 5 more, I will give here 6 star. It 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is nothing but 7 star. I'll print it here. What here I printed? It is मुझे कंप्यूटर को ये नहीं समझा कि मैं पैटर्न ड्रॉ करना चाहता हूँ, ठीक है। कंप्यूटर ने क्या किया, जो मैंने बोला उसको वो किया उसने। ओके, उसने अपना दिमाग यूज नहीं किया कि हाँ इसने पहले दो 1 स्टार दिया, 2 स्टार दिया, फिर 4 स्टार दिया, फिर अचानक से इसने 6 स्टार दे दिया। ओके, इसने कंप्यूटर ये नहीं सोचा रहे यहाँ से 1, 2, 3 ये तो सीक्वेंस के अनुसार जा रहा है। ओके, लेट मी डू इट वाया सीक्वेंस फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग। ये तो सीक्वेंस के अनुसार जा रहा है 1, 2, 3। यहाँ पे सीक्वेंस ब्लॉक क्यों हुआ? उसने अपना दिमाग नहीं चलाया खुद का। इसने क्या किया? व्हाट वी हैव लर्न फ्रॉम दिस, कंप्यूटर डू व्हाट यू वांट टू डू। मतलब व्हाट यू वांट टू डू मीन्स व्हाट you instruct to the computer, what you command to the computer, specific function will be done by computer. It will not do more than that. Understand? Hopefully. Okay, so that was the introduction to the replit.com. Also, I'll make a whole video series on it. Okay? Just don't go in the thing that I will not explain anything. I will explain it from scratch. So to conclude here, we can say, just wait a minute. So we have covered this. Okay, so to conclude, you need to build a solid foundation. You need to practice. Okay, you need to practice to learn Python programming. You could not go just with theoretical knowledge. Okay, what will be unique in this whole lecture or whole video series, that it will be based on real life examples. It will be more of fun. I'll also bring some of my what I can say, some of the live examples to you. Okay, that will perform or act as a computer. Okay, it will be fun. This course totally will be fun, and you will learn a lot. Okay, what I want to learn in my when I started learning programming, बट आई विश दैट टीचर्स ने ऐसा पढ़ाना चाहिए, मैं वैसा ही पढ़ाऊंगा। ओके, एक स्टूडेंट के हिसाब से। गुड। एंड इट विल कवर्ड रियल वर्ल्ड सिनारियोज। इट विल हेल्प यू फॉर डेटा साइंस इंटरव्यूज एंड कंप्यूटर एग्जाम्स लाइक गेट ऑफ कोर्स। अगर बियॉन्ड दिस कोर्स, ठीक है, इसके कोर्स के अलावा भी तुम यूट्यूब पे ओपन सोर्स पे कहीं से भी पाइथन, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, पाइथन के रिलेटेड कुछ भी डाउट रहा, नहीं समझा, आइदर यू कॉन्टैक्ट मी और यू कैन सर्च इट ऑन गूगल बाबा। ओके, यू हैव योर गूगल, and you can also engage on an academic community. Okay, an academic community is also providing knowledge about various programming skills that are or that newly reforms that are coming in programming and computer science field. Okay, you can also follow an academic community for that sake. Okay, and in the last, I will say network and collaborate with the programmers, with the developers using GitHub. I'll also in the last video, when we will wrap up our project, I will also explain you how to use GitHub and how to put that project on GitHub profile and how to create your profile. Okay, so that's all we are going to do in this whole video series. Okay, so this is thank you from me. That's my name. That's my number. If you want to contact me, that's my email ID, and that's my GitHub profile where I have stored some sort of real life games that I have learned in the IIT Madras course. Okay, so thank you all of you. I just I just hope you like all this presentation, and there is always joy for me to teach to the students. Okay, because I feel like this is just a pure thing. Okay, this is a pure thing that तुम अपना knowledge बांट रहे हो, so it will also give a happiness for you have given something to the society. Exactly. So thank you. Here I will end my demo lecture. I hope you all like it.